those mosquitoes are pretty decent working. We call them lawyers. Also here in the downtown area, we have the beautiful Iolani Palace. Iolani Palace, the beautiful palace, the only royal palace on United States soil. You can take tours through there. It's really nice. Get a lot of education on Hawaii, how the Queen and her cabinet live. Right across from it is the King Kamehameha statue. You got the Hawaiian Art Museum, the Hawaiian Library, the missionary home, Kauai House, all in an area of about, with Chinatown, you're looking at an area of maybe 5 to 7 blocks. You go into downtown, you spend the whole day looking around. Don't forget about Chinatown, you got some good food. You came in the right time, perfect timing. We won't catch any traffic. Nobody gets stupid. Yeah. I see the two of you got laid, beautiful flower lace. Those are hybrid orchids. Yeah. You take them, put them in a little plastic bag, loosely, put them in your refrigerator about the middle, in your room. They'll last up to 2 days. Or you can later on doing. Yeah. All of our flowers here in the islands are meant to be picked. Enjoy. If you can pick them, reach them, pick them, ladies, enjoy them. They're beautiful, especially the plumeria. They're very sweet, very fragrant. Pick them, put them in your hair. Remember where you put the flower means everything. You put it over your left ear, you are married, spoken for taken. Over the right side, you are single and available. Up on top in the middle somewhere, totally confused. Right up there on my right, here's the white flowers. That's plumeria. You're going to see more as we go in. You can get days of plumeria, but they don't last for maybe a day.
There's sun. Hi.
Yeah, so bye bye. So yeah, like waiting until like 1 o'clock or like 3 o'clock. So bye. Officially on the cruise ship, as you can see. As you can see, we're on the cruise ship. Okay. And this is our bedroom. That's my bed right there. My mom's, grandma's, TV. And then here's the door, closet. Then there's the washroom. That is the dining. Yeah. Then out here is the hallway to the other side. That's all. Mama. Yeah. Hello, darling. I love you. So we're in the rainforest apparently. We're just getting on the road. So we're going hiking up to like a waterfall. So yeah. Now and we're gonna like. Okay, we're back. This is the first waterfall, and then the second waterfall. Here it is. Pretty big. So yeah. Probably gonna swim. Yeah. No. Okay, I got you. I got your video. Okay, I got your video. Go, 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 go. Next, Tina. Come on, while the video's going. You're a big one, honey. Go. Minnie, go na. I don't know who's saying that. Sorry, okay. Peter, can you climb? I'm waiting for you to climb. mom's having problems getting messages. Message. Yeah, we're gonna go eat now. And yeah. And then there's like the buffet. She did more like a little fancy thing. Mom gave me like a long dress and some of my heels right there. So from Mom, I got in bed. So yeah, I'm gonna get C6. I might barf up during dinner. Okay, bye. So right now I'm alone with Kevin. Yeah, I'm almost fancy. I'm getting a better view of that. So yeah, I'm all like dressed up. Got it from Mom for a bit. Got a long dress. And so some high heels. See right there, it's like high heels. So yeah, I'm gonna go find Mom again. So peace out. Yeah, 5 days. Come on. We will be back. We will be back. 5 days. We're going to.